Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. I am V. In today's video, we're just gonna play with some makeup, get your makeup out, and let us have some fun. Eye base, I'm using today's Playing in Makeup by Yolando. I'm wiping my eyelids, they're very oily. They're always very oily. I wipe them before I get on camera most of the time, but today I am doing it with you. I am back with today's video. I am back with the look. I hope you did play with your makeup today because it is fun. And I hope you did create something, whether it's makeup or anything else. I hope you created something today. Today's message quote is by Sophocles, Sophocles is the person's name. And it says, for whoever knows how to return a kindness he has received must be a friend above price. Let's read this again. I want to understand it. It says, for whoever knows how to return a kindness he has received must be a friend above price. If you understand what this quote means, let me know in the comments. Again, I want to let you know I did publish a new book. It's on Amazon. You can order the ebook or the hard copy book if you want to know a little bit more about me, where I grew up in my first 0 to 13 years. Check that book out and let me know in the reviews on Amazon what you think about the book. You won't be disappointed. It is a really good read. Again, always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. Be creative, be yourself, make no apologies for being real. And if you have done anything wrong, also remember, you're not bigger than yourself to learn when to apologize for the right things. I need to swatch. This palette is the one I'm using. I remember using it a while back. Like right now, it's 3 years since I'm on YouTube. When I first started YouTube, like a year and a half, I had that palette. I used it, I loved it. I have used it in a while. I put it away every now and then I pull it out, but not when I'm doing a video. But since it's in my May shop, my stash, I've been using it and I'm liking it again. I'm like, why did I put it away? I don't remember why, but it's back. So I'll swatch the colors for you. This was the first one. This is the second one. That's a shimmer or a highlighter. Now the orange. I love the orange. This is the blush set, and this is the Saharan Blush Volume 2 by Juvias Place. They always have it on sale. They still have it available. These are the colors. These are the swatches. There are 3 shimmers. There are 2 shimmers, which is this 2. So I guess you can use them as highlighters or just a shimmery blush. And these are mattes and these are mattes. Today I have this color on. Again, I will see you soon. soon, soon, soon.